welcome back to another unboxing of a bonus Ipsy box that was one of the deal of the day deals about a month ago. That took a while for it to get here, but I'm very, very, very happy to have it. It's all face masks, which you know is one of my favorite things behind lip balm, so if they did a lip balm one, I would buy it too, but since it was all face masks, you know I had to pounce on that. So first thing, I now have a dupe of this bag, which was one of my favorite ever Ipsy bags, so I'm really happy to have a second of it now. Just as an aside, we've got the Playlist Nourishing Ultra Hydration Sheet Mask for 3D Hydration Complex. I don't know what that means exactly. I'm gonna have to do a little research on this one, but I do love me some sheet masks. So I believe this box set was about 18 or 20 bucks, and there was one product in particular that was the selling point for why I bought it, because I was going to buy a replacement of it anyway, and then this popped up literally the same day, and I was like, done! Okay, so this is, let's see, by a brand called, a brand called Caolion, Caolion, Blackhead Bubble Pour Pack. I am super intrigued by this. I know that Elf sells a bubbling face mask too that also comes in a little tub. I don't have that one because it's more spendy than most of their masks, but one of these days I'm going to shell out for it. But I'm really intrigued to see what a bubbling face mask does. I've never had one before, and now I do. So, there's that. I now have dupes of the Look at Me Sweet Honey Bear face mask, which is smoothing and nourishing, and there's also a second one in here. The Look at Me, it's the raccoon one. The Look at Me Aqua Moisture Raccoon for refining and deeply moisturizing. So I'm really stoked to have extras of those, because I quite enjoyed doing those. So I've got them. Up to 4 masks. 5 is another dupe, but I also really, really like this one, so I'm stoked to have another of it. This is the Hey Honey Show Your Glow Colloidal Gold and Honey Beauty Mask. It's made to smooth, firm, and hydrate your skin. It's an anti-aging one, which, you know, I'm getting up to a certain age. I kind of need help with that now, but this one's really nice. If you've never ever tried it before, I highly recommend it. It will get a review one of these days. I don't think I reviewed it the first time I used it because I was a dummy and I didn't know that anyone would be interested in watching skincare videos yet, or face mask videos. Didn't even dawn on me to film it. So I'll film it this time because now I film face mask videos. So, a lavish anti-aging mask that works to improve skin elasticity with powerful moisturizers, while colloidal gold, honey, and mica hydrate the skin and smooth the appearance of fine lines. Good stuff. But the piece de resistance for why I bought this pack, the one that made me fall in love with clay masks to begin with, is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. My other one, I used up about halfway, and then I thought I was doing myself a favor by saving it for a special occasion, and then it hardened into a rock because I didn't know clay ones had that short of a shelf life. So now I know, and I won't make that mistake again. But now I have a replacement for it, and I will quite enjoy it, and this time I'm definitely doing the thing or reviewing it right away, so it cannot have a chance to do that to me again. But oh my god, guys, this is probably my favorite clay mask of all time. This one completely erases all fine lines from my skin for like the rest of the day that I do it. And I don't know why. I can't understand the science behind it. All I know is that it works, and as long as it keeps working for me, I'm gonna keep loving on this one. But it's a spendy little one. I feel like this was like $42 or something on its own if I just bought it retail, which I am not in the market to spend that much on it. But I know that on Ipsy they sell it for like half that. But then this box popped up with it in it for even less, and I was like, oh, be still my heart! And it just happened to be the day that I was going to replace it anyway, that this popped up. I had to do the thing, guys. I had to do the thing. Simple as that. So I'm really happy. So for about 20 bucks, got 6 different masks that probably retail for at least $100 altogether. All I know is that I am super dang stoked and happy with that. and hopefully you guys will enjoy the content that comes from them. I'm just really, really happy to have them. So, anyway guys, this is just a little quick bonus Ipsy video for you. So, as usual, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. So, anyway guys, till next time, bye-bye.